Welcome to a short introduction of our extrusion line project. The line starts with our extrusion machine, which presses hot plastic raw material through a nozzle. Because the filament leaves the nozzle quite hot, it gets cooled in a temperature-controlled water bath with controlling unit, which you can see here. To have a continuous information of the material's diameter, it runs through a measuring unit in the next step. At this open place, we will see a puller unit soon to drag the material. So we will move on to the winder, which spools all the filament on a big drum. And to get a better understanding of the process itself, we will start with the new raw material, which we have bought from a supplier, as you can see in the bag. But as soon as we gather enough experience, we will begin to add shredded recycling material into the extruder and increase the amount by the shredded material step by step. Main challenge with this is the possibility to have strongly fluctuating material quality, as you can see here on the flakes with different colors. But I'm optimistic to manage the problem. Then thank you very much for watching the first overview of our project and stay tuned for updates.